Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to explore another powerful capability within the Copilot ecosystem, the Analyst Agent. The Analyst Agent is designed specifically for data analysis scenarios. It allows us to upload datasets, ask analytical questions in natural language, and automatically generate insights, tables, charts, and even forecasts. For this exercise, I have prepared a CSV dataset called Regional Sales Performance .csv. This dataset contains 72 rows of sales data representing quarterly sales performance from first quarter 2024 to Q1 2025. The data is structured across four regions: North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America, three product categories: cloud services, security solutions, productivity suite. Each record includes revenue information for a particular region, product category, and quarter. Our goal in this lab is to use the analyst agent to analyze this dataset and generate insights automatically. Step 1. Review the dataset. First, let's quickly look at how the CSV file is structured. As you can see, the dataset contains 72 rows which represent multiple combinations of regions, product categories, and quarterly periods. This type of dataset is commonly used in business analytics scenarios where organizations want to understand revenue trends, product performance, regional growth patterns, future sales forecasts. Step 2. Upload the dataset to OneDrive. To analyze the dataset using the Analyst Agent, we first need to upload the CSV file to OneDrive. Copilot agents typically work with files stored within your Microsoft 365 environment, such as OneDrive, SharePoint, Teams shared documents. For this demonstration, I have already uploaded the file to OneDrive. Step 3. Select the Analyst Agent. Now, let's open Copilot Chat. To access the Analyst Agent, click the Tools button. Here you will see the available agents, and from this list, we will select Analyst. The Analyst Agent is specifically designed to per. Once the file is attached, we are ready to begin our analysis. Step 5. Analyze revenue trends. Our first prompt will focus on regional revenue trends. The prompt is, I have uploaded regional underscore sales underscore performance.csv to my OneDrive. Analyze quarterly revenue trends by region from first quarter 2024 to first quarter 2025. Let me paste the prompt and send it. Now you will notice something interesting. The analyst agent begins writing and executing Python code automatically behind the scenes. This is one of the unique capabilities of the analyst agent. It performs real analytical computation rather than simply generating text responses. The agent reads the dataset, processes the revenue values, groups the data by region and quarter, calculates growth trends. After completing the analysis, the agent generates a summary of the findings, a table showing regional performance, narrative insights explaining the results. From the analysis, we can see Asia Pacific shows strong and consistent growth. North America demonstrates steady growth. Europe shows moderate but stable growth. Latin America shows a decline over several quarters. This kind of structured insight would normally require manual analysis in Excel or writing Python scripts, which could easily take hours. However, the analyst agent generates these insights within minutes. Step 6. Product category analysis. Next, let's perform another analysis using the following prompt. Compare product category performance across all regions. Identify which categories are growing or declining and suggest possible business reasons for these trends. Again, the analyst agent begins.
Executing analysis steps.
This time, it evaluates category level performance, growth versus decline patterns, possible explanations for business trends. The output includes a category performance summary, visualizations showing growth trends, insights such as declining or strong product segments. For example, the analysis indicates that productivity suite shows declining trends, while other product categories demonstrate stronger performance. This type of insight can help business teams identify strategic opportunities or risks in product portfolios. Step 7, revenue forecasting. Now let's move to a more advanced analytical task, forecasting future revenue. The prompt we will use is: based on the trends identified, forecast Q3 and fourth quarter 2025 revenue for each region. Include confidence notes and highlight which regions require attention. Once again, the analyst agent begins generating and executing Python code. The agent uses historical data patterns to produce a forecast model. The output includes a forecast table for Q3 and fourth quarter 2025. Confidence notes about the prediction, identification of regions requiring attention. For example, Latin America requires immediate attention due to declining trends. Europe should be monitored closely. Asia Pacific is growing strongly and should be scaled strategically. North America remains stable. The agent also explains confidence levels based on historical data alignment. Step 8, visualization. Finally, let's generate a visualization using the prompt. Create a chart showing cloud services revenue growth by region across all quarters. Highlight the best and worst performing regions. The analyst agent again writes code and generates the visualization. After processing the data, it produces a chart showing revenue growth trends across regions. The output also includes explanations such as best performing region based on growth percentage, worst performing region based on negative growth. Key insights derived from
The chart. This visual representation helps decision makers quickly understand which regions are driving revenue growth and which ones require strategic intervention.
key reflection. Let's summarize what we learned from this exercise. The analyst agent performs complex multi step analysis autonomously in traditional workflows. Analysts would need to filter data in Excel, write formulas or scripts, generate charts manually, interpret the results. However, with the analyst agent, we can simply ask analytical questions in natural language, and the agent performs the full analytical workflow automatically. This demonstrates the true power of AI driven data analysis within Microsoft Copilot. Conclusion: in this lab exercise, we used the analyst agent to perform several analytical tasks, including revenue trend analysis, product category analysis, revenue forecasting, data visualization. These four pillars represent some of the most common tasks in business data analysis. When working with data sets in Microsoft 365, the analyst agent allows us to perform these tasks faster, more efficiently, and with significantly less manual effort. With that, we have completed this lab on the analyst agent. In the next session, we will move into a new theoretical section where we will discuss ethics and data protection in AI systems. In that section, we will cover important topics such as responsible AI principles, prompt injection risks, data privacy and governance, how to ensure that Copilot and AI agents produce reliable and safe outputs. This theoretical section is extremely important for anyone working with AI systems in enterprise environments. So, on that note, I will stop here. Thank you for joining this session, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy learning.